Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study the market for intraday trading. First, understand that intraday trading involves buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. This approach demands quick decisions and a thorough grasp of market dynamics. We will explore key steps to analyze market conditions, identify potential opportunities, and manage risks effectively. Our goal is to equip you with a structured approach for consistent intraday market analysis. Technical analysis is crucial for intraday traders. Begin by studying candlestick charts on 1-minute, 5-minute, or 15-minute timeframes to observe price action. Identify significant support and resistance levels, which are price points where buying or selling pressure is expected to be strong. Employ indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, to confirm trends and momentum. Always look for confirmation from volume, as high volume often validates price movements. Beyond charts, fundamental analysis and news events significantly influence intraday movements. Keep a close eye on economic calendars for announcements like interest rate decisions or unemployment figures, which can cause broad market shifts. Also, track company-specific news, such as earnings reports or product launches, as these can lead to sharp price changes. Remember, even a small piece of news can trigger a 25% move in a highly liquid stock. It is often wise to avoid trading during peak news volatility unless you are an experienced trader. Effective risk management is paramount for intraday trading success. Before entering any trade, determine your maximum acceptable loss, typically 1% to 2% of your total trading capital. Always implement stop-loss orders to protect your capital from unexpected market reversals. Practice your chosen strategies rigorously on a demo account for at least several weeks or months to build confidence and refine your approach. Finally, keep a comprehensive trading journal to analyze your trades and continuously improve your decision-making process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.